Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to get face tracking in Roblox. Important that you need to have your age verified to use this camera feature, otherwise it won't work. So first off is you're going to go to your settings, and then go to your privacy. Under microphone and camera input, you can see the enabling option for camera. Click this gray button and make it green. And there you go, you have not unlocked the camera feature. Also, this camera feature depends on the game that you are playing. The camera might not work if the game is not added it. To check if the game you want to play has this feature, go to the game's description and check under the communication. If it shows this, then your camera will work. And another thing, to make your camera work, you need to have these animated faces. This camera will work but not be able to make facial expressions if you have these casual faces. To get it to work, go to your marketplace and then heads. Now you can buy these faces to your desire and then you'll be able to make it work. When you join a game with the feature, it will show you these two options, and one for the microphone, another one for the camera. Click the camera to start your cam. Now you can play around with it and explore. So if this helps, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.